Hi everyone, I'm Yenti from Hot&Spicy channel, and today I'm showing you quick and easy recipe to keep your kitchen clean and tidy. Roasted eggplant and tempeh. Tempeh is kind of a fermented soybean, very famous in Indonesia. I'm going to start by slicing the eggplant into a circle. About half an inch thick, just like this. Then I'm going to arrange the eggplant slices in a single layer on a sheet pan. I'm covered the pan with aluminum foil first, so I don't need to wash the pan very hardly. And repeat the same thing with the tempeh. Once you have your eggplant in a single layer, I'm going to brush it with margarine. That gives a really nice even layer of salty from the margarine. Now I'm going to add the seasoning. Seasoning for roasted eggplant is a super basic. I just sprinkle a half of teaspoon garlic powder and black pepper. If you don't have a garlic powder, just use a salt. And I'm going to flip the eggplant and tempeh slices over and repeat the seasoning on the other side. Next, I'm going to roast my eggplant in the oven. I'm going to roast it at 150 degrees in Fahrenheit. Be sure your oven is preheat first, and then it will take about 30 to 35 minutes. Take out the eggplant out of the oven halfway and flip the slices over, then continue baking until they are nice and golden. Anything about roasted is not complete without something sour, fresh, and cold. Let's make the beverage. Food and drink ready. Let's start to eat. I got white rice here. I got the papaya fruit here. I got roasted eggplant and tempeh with the chili and a big jar of lime juice. Keep healthy and see you on the next video.